Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Natalie from the future. So I forgot to film an intro to the video, so I'm sorry, and I look kind of crazy right now. I'm like in the process of doing my makeup, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm getting into the shower now. I just have my hair in a sleek low ponytail. I had it out today, and I did a wash and go this morning, but it didn't look good at school, so I just put it back and ignore my tan line. I just came back from a track meet, and I had this Nike headband on, and now I have a nice tan line on my face, so yeah. And now I'm just gonna get in the shower and wet my hair and then comb it. So I just got out the shower. I did put a towel on my head, and this is what my hair looks like. It's not fresh. I did shampoo it this morning, and this is the shampoo I use, the cleansing cream shampoo by Cantu. And then once I get out the shower, to eliminate frizz when it's dripping wet, I take this Paul Mitchell, this one right here. I use that conditioner, and I just put some in my hand, then I run it through my hair, then I put a towel on it. So getting out the shower, the first thing I'm going to do is separate my hair, and I did detangle my hair in the shower, and then I'm just going to take a hair tie and tie this part up, and then I'm just going to go back in with my vent brush and just comb it out one more time, and it kind of like gets rid of the curls, but I'm going to get my spray bottle, and then I'll just spray it, and it'll bring some of the curls back. Just use a spray bottle. There's just water in here, and just add the moisture back so that the curls come back, and I don't have to use as much product. I just spray it and then comb that through again to make sure all the hair is wet again. Alright, brush fell. Alright, now the first product I use is the leave-in conditioner by Cantu. Looks like this. It's the argan oil one. I have used other ones before, and if you guys want me to link it, well, I'm not gonna link it, but just comment down below, and then I will tell you guys which one it is, and I'll send you a link. So spray my hair a little bit more, and then I comb it through one more time because it was a little dry in some spots. That looks good. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the leave-in conditioner, and I just got this one, so it looks like new. So now I'm gonna take like, not a lot, but like that much, about this much, and then I'm taking that and I just move it around in my hands, and I take it and I just, there's a piece of hair. Take it and then I just put it in my hair like this. And you want to make sure you get the front and the back and underneath well too, because underneath is where your if there's not any product, that's where your volume is going to come from. Because if you look at like your hair, the underneath part is like for me it's the biggest, like the poofiest, and then the outside is like flat. So then I'm just going to put this in, and then I just rub it through a few times, and sometimes I'll put more if I feel like I need it, but I think it's good, and I want like a light fluffy curl. So then I'm going to go back in my vent brush and comb this through again. And I do have a Denman brush, but I like using this vent brush, and as you can see, it kind of brings all the curls together, and I like the way it springs them. So I'm actually going to take a little bit more product and then put that in the front of my hair, since my hair isn't in the front, is damaged. All right, now I'm just going to put this side up in a bun, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So now that the other side is done, I'm going to take this side out of the bun, and this is what my hair looks like, but we're not done yet. Now I'm just going to comb it through to make sure that the part in the back is gone and that the curls all come together. Now you just brush it. Sorry, it's a little bit knotty, and keep brushing it. All right, once it's all brushed through, I'm gonna go in with my Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream by Cantu. This is another really good product. I use mostly Cantu products, so. And this is good for curl activating, and it kinda, I use the same products to refresh my hair, and I did a video on that, but my hair routine has changed. So I'm gonna take like a 2 quarters, I guess, amount. And I just take this and pull my hair back in a ponytail, like if it was going in a ponytail, and I just put this in that way. I like putting it in this way and not in sections because I find that it's a lot easier to put in. And then I put some more in, but I do it a different way, and I'll show you guys that right now. What I do is I take a little bit more, about that much, and then I'm basically just gonna flip my head over and put it on the ends and scrunch up. So just wanna put it in, I put some in the back, put it at the ends, make sure that every part is coated, and then just scrunch up and try to activate those curls. And then when I flip my head over, there's normally, as you can see, more volume. And then I do, another way. So I'm just gonna brush all the hair forward, and just like this. This is how you find your natural part, I find. So I'm just gonna brush it all forward, and I'm gonna come back on salt brush. Like some demon creature, I take more of the product, and this is a pretty big bottle, so I have a lot to work with. And then I do like the front section. The reason I do the front part of my hair is because it sometimes gets more frizzy, and it's the most damaged part of my head, I would say. So I like to do it like that, and now I look like a hot mess, but the curls in the front look good, so that's now good. We're gonna brush it again like this. It's just a very long process, and there's lots of brushing involved, but brushing makes the curls look better. And as you can see, the curls look a lot shinier and a lot better in the front. But this part right here has always been a bit of a problem, but I'm trying to slowly work on it and make that part of my hair come back to life, and I'm trying to get it to recover from its damage. But yeah, so I might add a little bit more product to my hair depending on what it's like, but I like to just use as minimal as possible and try to make the products last long, because they do get a little pricey. So, and then I'll show you guys what the back of my head looks like. Let's try to turn around. This is what the back of it looks like. The back, it always looks a little bit better, but sometimes it's hard to get the curls defined, so that's why it's good to brush your hair a lot. So I'm just gonna brush it through a few more times, and I'm gonna Now that my hair is brushed a few times, we're gonna now put it into its parts. Basically what I'm gonna do is I just split it in half, and I used to do my hair into 4s, but I found that there was really no purpose, and that it kind of did the same thing when I did it, and it just takes up more time, and I just comb it through again because it's easier to comb as a half. So then I'm basically just gonna split it into half, and this is to preserve the curls overnight, and then I just twist it just like this. And it's kind of just a big twist, and I find that it doesn't ruin the form of the curls as if I was braiding it or bunning it, because I used to just put it in a bun, but then I found that the curls weren't doing so good. So I just twist it on both sides. And I look kind of silly, but no one's gonna see me, so it doesn't really matter. And I brush this side. And if you want smaller, bigger curls, then you're probably not gonna brush your hair as much. And that's how my hair pretty much works. So if I want smaller, more defined curls, I need to brush my hair a lot more. And I also use a demo brush a lot more, but if I want big fluffy curls, then I just finger detangle. And okay. So then you're just gonna take this piece back here again, and then just twist it, twist it, twist it. All right. Now for the final part, finally, I'm gonna be taking this large, it's not that big, but this cap, and I put the silk part on the inside, and then I just take this, put it over my head, and then I kind of put the twist in the back, sort of, so that they're like that, and it doesn't really, my hair is still really wet, which it's not, then I put extra cap on just to secure it, but this is pretty much how I sleep. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I look silly right now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, drop a thumbs up, and comment down below some new video ideas. And see you next time. Bye.